Welcome again to another video, and I'm up again with another adventure, and I'm bringing you to the place where you can chill out, unwind, and relax with your loved ones, and that is right at the heart of Dahilayan Bukidnon at KUMAYKAY River Farm. Alright guys, so we are here right now at KUMAYKAY River Farm, where asa tong viral nga glamping camp nga na-post online. So it's actually here right at this area. So there are a couple of glamps there. Glamps ba tawag? Okay, so let's check it out. Oh my god, so actually napay nagtulog. Check out the search. This is uy, basin ni tao. Sorry. Okay guys, so mura kog si Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So don't mind my pimple. So right at this area, we're to look at camps. Glamping camp 1, 2, and right at the back 3, and here for the campfire burning. Then narang drama. So let's check it out here inside. Pero muna pa yung mga gamit sa mga people, but I think they've already checked out. Ayo. But definitely nice place gid kayo siya. Although I know for sure nga gikan gid na ay naggamit sa room, but it's a wide space. Oh, but I know limpyo ni siya and very refreshing. Hinlook ni siya if ever nga ma-clear out na ni siya. And at my back is the space for tulugan, or you want parties and all that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically, they will provide 10 beds, but if you want for extras, then I guess you need to request and pay. And the good thing is that dagan siya outlets. Yeah, dagan mo pansakan. Okay, so we got one here, there, dito I see 2, ano pa siya, pinalamps. Okay, and right at this area, kanya akong ginatubang karon, which I will be showing to you, is the comfort room. Na very amazing. I'll show you why. This is like the door. Then it's a sliding siya. Where? Yan. There's sliding siya. Yan. Sliding siya. But heavy. It's so heavy. And this is like night table and outlet. So you can see naman din. Alright, so na yung mga maalachini, shower, and so open siya. And we got here a window. This is the comfort room in any bed. So an open one, diba? So right at this side, and so pwede naman makinanawa, diba? And wow. Ooh. Alright, so there's another door. There's another parang door. I don't know how to call this one here. To enter, wow, parang terrace. Ayun. So, ito siya kung sinong ikaw. Sure, lanzones. So, ganito siya. And pretty nice because you can hear out fresh, refreshing sound of the river. And yeah, wide space para mag-shots po or any plans of parties. chill, guys. Alright, so I guess that's it. That's my short tour of the so-called glamping area here at KUMAYKAY River Farm. And I hope we could celebrate one of the events here with my friends or family. Pero undang na ko'y basa na kong ilok, guys. It's quite humid. Pero dili kay na nakasakit ang sun. So I'm heading back to the restaurant because my family's waiting there. Let's see kung saan na po kalami ilang food right here sa KUMAYKAY River Farm.
Definitely a very refreshing place. There are cottages around the areas where you can just eat and chill. And of course, I am super duper excited to taste out their best foods.
So how's the white pizza ricotta, guys?
Pizza, lagi style.
So na siya chili paste? Ay, chili flakes. Okay, sabot nga na siya chili flakes.
Chili?
Mut kay siya mo siya.
Ikaw rin ka pong bake ba?
Here it is. Very soft dough. Okay lang. May kaya siya. So basically, wala siya meat, no? It has no meat.
That's for a cottage cheese. Homemade cheese.
Homemade cheese.
Homemade dough.
Homemade dough. Everything is homemade.
Homemade.
With coffee?
Oo.
Ilan ka po?
Isa lang. Ito nga. Kami mong kopi ba? Pure kopi ba?
Try this one, guys.
Wala magpan.
So soft. Mura gid pan, like early morning pan nga imong ipang breakfast. It doesn't taste much like kanang commercialized nga pwede pang lunch or what, no? Good for breakfast. Ganaan ba si Konsehal?
Busok kayo nga.
Busok gud mga gila.
Busok kayo, dali kayo busok ba?
So right at this time, guys, I'm going to show you how KUMAYKAY River Farm restaurant looks like. So I'm here at this area in the balcony. Ayan. So we can actually put tables and chairs over here. And here's the entire area sa sulod. Okay. There's long table. And there's actually a tables and chairs na pwede ka makayakap. Okay guys, so it was a great spend time here. Great jam right here at KUMAYKAY River Farm. So that is why if you want to hear out cool music, if you want to chill out, of course you can tent out around the area. And also there are bands coming, mga lumad bands. Ako na lang mong i-spoil that Yaka bands are coming this 28. So, see you guys and thank you so much once again, Sir Jay.
Bye.
So, you're gonna catch him up on 28.
It was really a great stay, and I hope you also had a great time watching this video.
Sound of the horse.
Thank you again for watching, and I hope to catch up with you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Ayan ni Dem, mag-self-timer, no? Okay, position.
Ayos ang po yan, kumain.
Kaya ako na ni timer.
Video ulit.